Hello. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Matholics. So, we'll be starting the lecture for surface areas and volumes. This is lecture number 4. We'll be having some good questions today. And this will be the last lecture from my side for this chapter, right? So, am I clearly audible and visible? Yes or no in the comments, please. Okay, so we'll be starting the lecture in next 1 minute. Till then, please share with all your friends. Today, actually, we had some, I guess, network issues or what. I don't understand what is happening to me. But okay, we'll start the session now. Need not to worry. So, a solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. The total height of the solid is this, and diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Find the total volume of the solid. Now, you have to find total volume of the solid. How to find total volume? Just add the volume of cylinder with the volume of both of these pairs. If any one of you have calculated the answer, kindly comment. And sir, last question I did okay. PYQ is also done. Okay, that's oh yes, Ritik, hai na? Yes. Ritik, I just like I told you, the PYQs from that Aryan question bank, that is very important. Okay. So we'll be starting the lecture now. This is question number 8 of this series. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeters. There is a solid iron pole. Solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. There is one more cylinder over to another cylinder and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So you simply have to find the volume, multiply that volume by this 8 gram mass, you'll get the complete weight. Now, what is actually this question trying to say? The radius is not same. Cylinders are there, two cylinders are there, but the radius is not same. Radius is different. Yes, sir. So total volume will be V1 plus V2. First draw the diagram. Above cylinder have smaller radius, right? Radius 8 centimeter. Lower one, obviously, if the diameter is 24, the radius is going to be 12 centimeters, right? So this is 12, this is 8. This H1 height is 60, this H2 height is 220. Just add the volumes. First cylinder pi R1 square H1, second cylinder pi R2 square H2, right? So we'll copy from here, start solving, put the values of pi common, pi and R1 square H1, R2 square H2 in the bracket. Now pi is 22 by 7. What is R1? What is R1? R1 is 8. So 8 square. What is H1? H1 is 60. What is R2? It is 12. What is H2? It is 220. Just put the values and get me the answer. Find the answer in centimeter cubes. Find the answer in centimeter cubes. Okay, let me do it for you. It will take so much of time. I don't have time today. I have other lectures also at 9:30. Okay, whatever. Right now it's okay, whatever we have on. So V1 plus V2, this pi, that is 22 by 7. Okay. Inside the bracket, 8 square into 60, that means 64 into 60 plus 12 square means 144 into 220. This way you have to take values, right? So it is 22 by 7 bracket. What is 64 into 60? Tell me. 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36. 3840 plus 144 into 220. 144 into 220. 2 4 z 2 4 z 2. 2 4 z 2 4 z 2. This is 8 6 8 2. 10 1 11 31680, right? 31680. Add 3840 3840 to it. That's 0 1 12 115 3 4 5 3 355. 22 by 7 into 35520. This is the final calculations. Okay. So now you have to cancel this. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now 5 doesn't go, so it is 0. 52 7 7s are 49. 37 4s are 28. 22s are 14, like that. Multiply 22 by 5074.2. Multiply this by 5074.2. So you'll get actually this much volume. 22 by 7 into 35520 is exactly correct answer. Okay. So now this is the volume in centimeter cubes. You have to find the mass. What is the mass? Total mass. 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs this much mass, 8 gram. So that much centimeter cube, just multiply that volume by 8. That means this has to be multiplied by 8. First convert it in points, then multiply by 8 and tell me the answer. If it comes 893.074 kilograms. 893.04 kilograms. Okay. Do this calculation and let me know if you are able to do. No, pi 22 by 7. If it is given 3.14, you have to keep 3.14, right? But it is one of the same thing. You take it 3.14 over, but more precisely, it will be 3.14, है ना? Because it is given. Okay, calculate and let me see the answer. Okay, you do it like this. You do it like this. If this is bothering you, wait. You do it like this. Okay. Put it 3.14. Done. Final answer will be mass will be equals to 3.14 into 35520 into 8. This is the final answer. Get me the answer by calculating this. Done. Can we move forward? That way you have to calculate, okay? Eight nine two two six 2.3. 892262.4. Okay, correct. Divided by 1000. 893. If you calculate by 22 by 7, na, then you get this answer to 893 something. Okay, this is correct. Done. That much grams or divided by 1000, you'll get the answer in kilograms. So we can move forward towards another question. Now, a hemispherical tank full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3, 4 by 7 liters per second. That means in 1 second, this much liter of water is getting out of the tank. Okay. How much time will it take to half empty the tank? That means if the tank is having 1000 liters, how much time will it take to have the 500 liters out? For example, 500 liters. Okay. If it is 3 meter in diameter, take pi equals to 22 by 7. Now we have to take pi 22 by 7. How to calculate? See. Now check for the solution. Hemispherical tank. This is hemispherical tank, right? It is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 3, 4 by 7 per liter. Would mean 7 3s are 21, 21 and 4, 25 by 7 liter per second. Okay. In 1 second, 25 by 7 liters of water is getting out of the tank. Yes or no? Sir, I had to copy the before question. Okay, you can copy later. First, we can solve this one. You have the video already, right? How much time will it take to half empty the tank? See, a hemispherical tank. This is hemisphere. Okay. So, speed of water is given 3 by 4 by 7. That means 25 by 7 liters in 1 second. Okay. How much time will it take to half empty the tank if it is 3 meter in diameter? Diameter of the hemisphere is given. So, radius of hemisphere will be 3 by 2. Right. So, volume will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So, in this way, we can find volume of this hemispherical tank. That what is the volume? So half volume we have to empty, then we'll use half volume. Okay. So first, just need to calculate the volume of this hemispherical tank. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube would mean 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8. You solve this one and get 99 by 28 meter cube. 99 by 28 meter cube will be your answer, but in meter cube. Volume is given in liters. Volume is given in what? Volume is given in liters. Yes. So when volume is given in liters, you have to convert this meter cube into liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. You can have this relation copied, that 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. This is a relation data which you can use directly. Okay, 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. How to remember this? Have you seen a tank in your homes? Water tank, plastic tank. It is approximately this much in length. I cannot come in this camera fight. Okay, approximately this much in length, this much broad. So circular tank is there. Imagine it as a cube of 1 meter length, 1 meter like this, its breadth, and 1 meter depth. So 1 into 1 into 1 meter cube. And in that 1 meter cube area, you can put 1000 liters easily. Yes or no? So in this way, you can remember, right? So 1000, yes, 1000 liters equals to 1 meter cube. You must be confused about 1000 meter cube, 1 liter. What is the exact ratio? No. The exact relation is 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. So this much meter cube converted into liters multiplied by 1000. That means 99,000 upon 28 liters. So 25 by 7 liters is emptied in 1 second. So 99,000 by 28 liters will empty in how much second? Simply 1 by this into this. Unitary method. Simple unitary method. Yes or no? Simple unitary method. You have to use simple unitary method, that 1 divided by this 25 by 7 and multiplied by this number. If you calculate this thing, this will come out to be 16.5 minutes, because 990 seconds. Calculate this by your own. I'm waiting for you. Calculate this by your own. I'll be waiting for you for 5 to 6 minutes. Copy. This question you must copy. That one was so basic. We had some network issues. That's why we got late today. Okay, whatever. We can have the class, don't worry. If done, then tell me fast. Nine 90 seconds, correct. Done. Can we move forward? I think it's done now. Done. Okay, let's go towards. Now let's solve some MCQs. Huh? We've done too much of this. Yes, we've got MCQs. Water in a river which is 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of this. How much water will fall into the sea in 2 minutes? Same thing question. I've told you no, that these questions are famous. These can come as it is. Okay. So, water in a river which is 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide. This is 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide. Water is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. 2 kilometer. Now, learn to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second directly. This is kilometer per hour multiplied by 5 by 18. You must write kilometer per hour 2 meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour 5 by 18 meter per second. Directly you can use this conversion ratio. So 2 into 5 by 18 you must have done the 5 by 9. Right. Now this is speed. So speed into time is what? Distance. So distance, time is given. Time is given as 2 minutes. So 2 minutes you have to convert it in seconds. Right. Because meter per second you have to counter. If your speed is in meter per second, your time will be in seconds. That's why the distance will come out in meters. So distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 5 by 9 here and time is 120. Multiply it and get the answer as 200 by 3 meters. Now volume is length into breadth into height, L into B into H. Put the values, get the answer and tell me in the comments that answer will be 8000 meter cube for this volume. Now they are saying how much water will fall into the sea in 2 minutes. So 2 minutes, 8000 meter cube water will solve. Copy it and let me know that you are able to solve this calculation or no. From here you must copy. Okay. Now it's full. Time you have to convert in seconds. Speed you have to convert in meters per second. How to convert? Kilometer per hour into meter per second multiplied by 5 by 18. This is conversion factor. How it comes? Here it is given. Just L into B into H you have to find out. But you don't know the length. So how you will find the length? Yes, by using distance equal to speed into time like this. Solve it and let me know if the answer is correct. I'll tell you in some other lecture, not now. This lecture is for surface areas, not quadratic. Done. Okay, I think everyone must have done this. So answer will be 8,000 meter cubes. Next question. The volume of a right circular cone whose area of the base is 156 centimeters square and the vertical height 8 centimeters what? So in this question you will learn how to calculate the volume in different way also. One formula is pi r square h, but other formula is area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. This you must make in bracket in a box. Volumes basic formula is for every right circular figure. Right circular figure means if base is a circle, top is also a circle. If base is a square, top is also a square. If base is a rectangle, top portion is also a rectangle, right? These are called as right circular figures. So for right circular figures, right? The area is area of base and height is height. So volume is area of base into height. So they are saying the volume of a right circular cone whose area of the base is 156 and the vertical height is 8. You cannot, yes, you cannot have this. Yeah, this actually you cannot apply directly, but you can use formula V equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and pi r square is actually given. Pi r square is actually given. What is it? 156. So one third of 156 into 8. You calculate and get the answer as 416 centimeter cubes. Calculate in 2 minutes. I'm waiting. Calculate it in 2 minutes. I am waiting for the answer and check whether you get 416 or not. This is for some different form questions, but you must remember this that actually volumes formula is for right circular figures, area of base into height. This is not a right circular figure. This is circle on the bottom and just a pinpoint on the top. This is not right circular. This formula won't. I think now it's good. Going good, huh? Yes or no? Now it's going good, yes? Anyone have calculated this one? 416 centimeter cube. Done? Can we move forward? I think we can move forward. Okay, let's start. Next question. A solid spherical ball fits exactly inside the cubical box. Can you see the diagram? Hmm? I don't know why these comments are coming. Someone hacked my account. Yes, I think someone hacked my account. This happens, huh? Yes, someone hacked my account. I don't know. God knows. God knows. This problem actually we are facing from last 7 days. Okay, let's go. Whatever. Ignore. Ignore everything. A solid spherical ball fits exactly inside the cubical box of side 2A. See, this is a cubical box. This is a cubical box, okay, and inside it there is a sphere, right? Side of the box is 2A. Side of the box is 2A. Okay. Side of the box is 2A, and the volume of the ball is what? You have to find volume of this ball. Okay, now leave the comments. I'm not seeing the comments anymore. Okay, just focus on this. We have to do 2-3 questions more. If the side is 2A, what will be the radius of this sphere? Tell me. What will be the radius of this sphere? Yeah, radius will be just half, right? This is perfectly fitting in this cuboid, cube. You have to draw the figure like this. See, like this, one square. This is another square. Make it like this. Okay. And inside this, you have to place this cube. Can you see this? Inside this, you have to place this sphere. Okay. The sphere is inside this cube. Okay. So what will be actually the radius of this? It will be what? Nothing but, if the complete side is 2A, so this length will be A, because this is 2A. Okay. So half of this will be what? This will be A. So radius of sphere will be A. So the volume of the ball is, you just have to use 4 by 3 pi r cube. That means 4 by 3 pi A cube. Option number C or D. Option number D. Is it clear? Is it clear? Option number D, yes or no? Is it clear? Yes or no? Option number D. Any one of you? Option number D. Got it? I think yes, sir. Sorted. So just you need to know how to calculate. Sorted? Yes or no? Anyone? Anyone? Sorted, no? Can we move forward? Again, I think there is some network problem. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, next question number 4. A hollow cube of internal edge 22 centimeter is filled with spherical marbles of diameter 0.5 centimeter, and it is assumed that 1/8 of sphere of the cube remains unfilled. Then the number of marbles that the cube can accommodate is what? See, hollow cube is there. This is a hollow cube, and inside this there are spheres. Just imagine if there are spheres, there will be empty space. This red portion which I have marked. Okay. This empty space it's given. It is given that 1/8 of space of the cube remains unfilled. That means completely filled space is what? 1 minus 1 by 8. 1 minus 1 by 8. That means 7 by 8 of space is completely filled. Is filled. Yes or no? Tell me this thing. If 1/8 is empty, that means 1 minus 1 by 8, 7 by 8 is filled. So you have to just calculate 7/8 volume of the cube and divide it by volume of one sphere. So you'll get number of spheres. Okay. Sorted? Yes, exactly, yes. So this is cube, this is spheres. Radius is given as 0.5 by 2. So volume, obviously 0.5 by 2, you must first simplify. 0.5 point gone here, 20, 1 by 4 centimeter is the what? 1 by 4 centimeter is the radius. So volume of one sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So x into volume of one sphere. Let there are x spheres. Let there are x marbles. So x into volume of one sphere will be equals to 7 by 8 volume of cube, right? So x into 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 7 by 8 into volume of cube will be 22 cube, 22. Put the value of pi as 22, radius as 1 by 4, and get the value of x equals to 142296. 142296. No, it will be okay. They have done something. 142296 is the answer, and they are giving something different. 142244. Let's check it again here. 142296 is the answer. 142296. There is simple correction in this question. Write the correct answer as 142296. You copy this question and try this one. Okay, so that's it for today. This was the narration for this question. Try this. and let me know in the comments if you are able to have the correct answer or not. Okay, so that's it. This is JP sir signing off. We'll meet you tomorrow. I guess tomorrow is our off. Matholics will be off, online, offline, all holiday tomorrow. We'll be meeting on Monday. Okay, so that's it. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.